Good evening, tutor in college. I introduce myself. My name is Camilo Andres Galvis Hernandez. I am from Ibagué, Tolima. I live in Bogotá. My email is nihikami@hotmail.com. I am a university student. I'm 20 years old. My favorite hobbies are travel, dance, and workout. My favorite food is grilled chicken breast, lasagna, and all types of pizza. My favorite movie is Mother because it generates a psychological terror through the desperation of not having control of your environment without the need for it to show something scary. My favorite book is Crónica de una muerte anunciada because it shows us how do the rumors make everything get out of control in a small town and end in a death. My ability is strange. I can read texts in English. I can say so many expressions in English. I can understand when someone talk to me in English. Weakness. I usually practice my English. Sometimes it's hard for me to express me in English. Sometimes it takes a while to understand what the other person is saying. Talk about what strategies usually to improve your English skills and enrich your life. I listen to many songs in English. I sing so many songs in English. I watch so many videos in English. Thank you. Have a good evening.